What's up, traders? It's a boy Charles FX. I'm back again with another banger. So, what you're gonna do for me, guys? Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and then make sure that you are following me on the socials as well, guys. Charles FX everywhere, right? So, without wasting time, guys, in today's video, we're simply gonna be looking at the pair AUD USD. So let me show you guys how I go about when I'm about to trade this pairs, right? So I normally like using the weekly time frame. I like starting from a weekly time frame. So as we can see, guys, currently we are on a bullish. We are currently on a bullish order flow, right? We can see that we are in a bullish order flow because price kept on respecting fair value gaps and order blocks and pushing to the upside, taking out the highs, right? So right about now, guys, as you can see on the screen, first thing that I can see, guys, I can see this level right here, right? I can see this level right here on a weekly time frame. You can see that the price respected something right here and bounced all the way to the upside, right? Remember, this is a weekly time frame. So what I can see right here, guys, I can see that the price respected something right here. But then I want to mark my fair value gap first. This is the fair value gap. So we can see that the price respected what? The weekly fair value gap right here. Are you guys with me? Are you still with me, guys? Are you with me? Are you with me? Are you with me? Okay. I want you to follow closely. I use the lines now to mark I now use the lines to mark my fair value gaps on a higher time frame. It makes it so easy for me to navigate, right? I don't want to keep my chart like cluttered and stuff. So as we can see that the price respected this fair value gap and pushed to the upside. We now have what? We now have our external range liquidity right here. Alright, this is now our external range liquidity right there. So I'm anticipating the price to do what? I'm anticipating the price to move from this level right here and tag this level right here, which is now from the IRL to the ERL. Then with that now in mind, it means now I've got what we call a context, right? So now I've got the weekly context. So now with the weekly context, because this is not over, guys, this is not finished, but already now you know what you are looking for in the market. You're looking for buying opportunities, right? So now what we're gonna do, guys, I'm gonna now dial into our 4-hour time frame. So on our 4-hour time frame, quickly what we can see that inside our weekly fair value gap, right? Inside our weekly fair value gap, we've got what we call an order block, right? We've got an order block right here. This is the last candle where the price reacted, right? We've got an order block right here on the 4-hour time frame. Are you still with me, guys? Then now I use the rectangle tool to mark what? To mark my order blocks, right? We've got an order block here. Remember, we marked the recent ones. We don't want to go back in time and mark those ones. This one has already been respected. You can see now we've got a newer one right here. So now we've got an order block right there, a bullish order block, right? So I go ahead and mark it. That's my 4-hour bullish order block. There we go. So now with that in mind, guys, on the 4-hour time frame, now what do we see? We've got a liquidity sweep right here. Are you guys with me? Right, we've got a liquidity sweep right there. Let me put everything proper so everybody can see. We've got a liquidity sweep right here, and now we're waiting for the price to show us that now it's about to move to the upside, right? And then with that in mind, guys, what else can we see? We can see that we have an inducement right here. This is my inducement right here, right? I go ahead and mark my inducement. So already the price took out the early buyers right here with this inducement, and then it came back again, took out more early buyers right here, taking out that stop loss because they saw the price respecting the weekly key level right here, and then they went in, maybe they put their stop loss very tight and then took them out, right? So now this is where I want to enter, guys. I want to enter at the on the order block right here, exactly right here. This is where I want to take my entries, right? Because already we have a liquidity sweep, and then I want to be targeting the external range liquidity right here. But I like taking my profits somewhere before that, and I want to keep my stop loss right at this level here, below the weekly fair value gap, right? Then this is how I normally trade, guys. This is how I normally trade, and as you can see, we are already tagged in this trade. We are already tagged in this trade, guys. We are already tagged in this trade. Let me adjust everything properly. This is where I want to take my entry, guys, right here, right? And then I'll keep my stop loss below the weekly, just below the weekly fair value gap, and then risking proper. And then if the price hits my TP, that's a plus for me. If it hits the stop loss, that's a negative for me, but still I'm still comfortable because the risk management, guys, is key. You can have bad trades back to back, but then if your risk management is 100%, guys, definitely you will still be profitable, right? So guys, this is how I go about when I analyze these charts, guys. Hit that like button, subscribe, and share the video with other people so everybody can eat, right? CFX signing out. Yeah.